In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines in PowerPoint. This straightforward process can help you create cleaner, more polished presentations by eliminating those sometimes distracting, faint horizontal and vertical lines. Whether you're refining a professional slide deck or simply want to improve the look of your presentation, I'll guide you through every step of this simple task. To get started, you first need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure it's the version you need to use, as these instructions should apply to most modern versions. If you're not sure how to open PowerPoint, you can usually find it in your computer's Start menu on Windows or the Applications folder on a Mac. Once PowerPoint is launched, you're ready to move on to the next part. With PowerPoint open, the next step is to navigate to the specific presentation where you want to remove the grid lines. You might have it saved on your desktop or in a specific folder. If you're starting with a new presentation, you can open a blank slide to see how it looks without the grid lines. It's worth noting that grid lines are generally used to help align objects on your slides, but sometimes they can be visually intrusive, which is why learning how to disable them can be particularly beneficial. Now here's the real trick. Removing grid lines is as easy as pressing a simple keyboard shortcut. What you're going to do is press and hold the Shift key and then press F9. This key combination toggles grid lines on and off. If grid lines are currently visible, pressing this shortcut will make them disappear, giving your slides a seamless appearance. Likewise, you can hit the same keys to bring them back if you need them for precise alignments later. One thing to remember is that this shortcut affects only the current view, so you'll need to do it for each presentation and possibly for each slide if necessary. It's a small step, but it can make a big difference in how your final presentation is perceived, allowing for a more professional and clean design. There you have it. With these easy steps, you've learned how to remove grid lines in PowerPoint, enhancing both the aesthetic and clarity of your presentations. Removing these lines can sometimes make your audience focus better on the content rather than unnecessary distractions. As always, feel free to experiment a little with your slides to see what works best for your layout and style. With practice, these small adjustments can lead to big improvements in how your presentations come across. Don't hesitate to try it out and enjoy the freedom of a tidier workspace in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.